Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
Hi guys, I'm back to do another fudge. It's a little noisy in the kitchen because we've got tomatoes frying there. We've got French baguette here. We're going to have tomatoes on baguette for brunch. And I'm starting to do the white chocolate one. So I've got white chocolate in here and I just need to add the condensed milk now. Right, so I've added the condensed milk. So normally I'd leave it for about 30 minutes, but I'm going to check it. Well, I'm going to keep stirring it every now and then anyway. But you have to keep your eye on white chocolate because, you know, it doesn't have such a high sort of cooking point to it. So because of like the fat element or something. So I'll be back when I put it all together. We're about halfway through, so I'm just giving it another stir again. I have stirred it twice, and if I haven't already mentioned, if you didn't see my previous video where I made fudge in the slow cooker, don't put the lid on, okay? So this won't be too much longer now. And then I'm going to decorate the top of it with Maltesers. I'm going to prep the Maltesers. I've got them here. When I say prep, I'm just going to like burst some of them open so that they are, some of them are going to be whole and some of them are going to be like broken. So you see a lot of the honeycomb inside on the top. So I'm going to do that now. The thing is, guys, if you're the chef, you have a responsibility. Your responsibility is to make sure that nothing is poisonous. Has quite a tough a Malteser is. That's better. I think that's going to do it. So they're like that. Oh, I better eat that one. They're like that. Oh, they're like that. So I'll take the whole ones out, put on the top, and then sort of like scatter the bits over.
This year, very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas, without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas. I keep so near every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you.
Right, I just need to like push it to the like into the corners. I mean, obviously, the more chocolate you use, kind of the thicker it will be in the dish, but you know what I use is, it works really well. So I had 2 bars of the, is it the Dream white chocolate I think I used? Right. I'm just going to scatter on the Maltesers. I just want to try and throw on as many of the bigger pieces, like the whole ones, to start with. They're so tough, honestly, when you're not actually, they're not in your mouth. Then what you want to do is push them in a bit. Obviously your hands need to be clean for this. And you can put whatever you want on the top. I just thought it was a complete contrast. I mean, I like nuts on the top, but I think if you're going to be doing any of this for a gift, then you're probably best avoiding nuts, because just in case somebody was to eat it with, you know, a nut allergy. Ooh, it's going to be very chocolatey. All right, now I'm just going to go. I'm going to take that corner off. Then I'm just going to press it down a bit, these bits on the top, so that when we cut it, it doesn't all fall out. And there we have white chocolate and milk chocolate Malteser fudge, and it's going in to the fridge now.
The garlic.
It's going down there. Guys, going into the fridge. And I will get that out. Well, I'll check it this evening. If not, it'll be tomorrow morning. But join me the next day, because I'm making... What am I making?
Chocolate with white buttons.
Chocolate with white buttons, yeah.
Cook's privilege.
Cook's privilege. See you a bit later.
Bye.
I'm back again, so I'm about to actually cut the fudge up. I need to put this tree lights on. So it is much later in the day, and I've checked it, and it is all set and ready to be cut. So I filled this box. So far I filled this box and pretty much filled that box. In this box we've got a layer of the chocolate orange and a layer of the white. These are for us at home. These I'll be sharing out. These I'll be sharing out. And then I've got one more flavour to do tomorrow, which I've said is milk chocolate with the... I'll show you what I'm putting on top of it. With these are the Aero honeycomb melts, and at the moment they're in B&M for 49p. They're supposed to be 150, but they're doing them for 49p at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to put those on top of the chocolate. So that's the big bar of chocolate I'm using tomorrow, and then, as I say, I'll put those on the top. So a nice selection of like fudges, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more, because I have some more Christmas baking ideas. Well, I say baking, they're actually non-baking Christmas treats. So yeah, if you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press that notification bell, then you'll know when I've done it, and I will talk to you in my next video. Right, off to clear up the mess, and then we're going out for our own little work stew. So yeah, just our little doggy business stew for Christmas. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye everyone. Bye bye.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.